Hi friends, today we are going to be working with our colors and numbers. What color is this? Green. Let's do one green dot. One. That is one green dot. What color is this? Sky blue. This is the color blue. Let's do two dots of sky blue. One, two. Great job. We have two blue dots. One, two. What color is this, my friends? Pink. Awesome. Let's do three pink dots. Are you ready? One, two, three. We have three pink dots. This is our next color. What color is this, friends? Orange. You're right. Let's do four orange dots. Here we go. One, two, three, four. We have four orange dots. One, two, three, four. Look at this color. What color is this? Red. You're right. We have done one green dot, two blue dots, three pink dots, and four orange dots. How many dots should we do of the red? You're right. Let's do 5 red dots. Here we go. One, two, three, four, 5. We have five red dots. Good job, friends. Let's count our 5 red dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. How many colors do we have altogether? We can count the markers over here, or we can count the colors that we have across the top. Do you want to count the dots or the markers? Me too. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Oh, you want to count the markers as well? Let's count them together. 1 red, 2, and it's green. 3, and it's blue. 4, and it's pink. 5, and it's orange. We have 5 markers, and we have 5 polka dot colors. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you next time on our next learning adventure. Bye, friends.